I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to talk about benefits of aloe vera. The aloe vera plant has been known and used for centuries for its health, beauty, medicinal and skincare properties. Active components with its properties: aloe vera contains 75 potentially active constituents, vitamins, enzymes, minerals, sugars, lignin, saponins, salicylic acids and amino acids. It has excellent healing properties, effects on skin exposure to UV and gamma radiation. It has anti-inflammatory actions. It has moisturizing and anti-aging benefits. For hair, it acts as great conditioner and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. It also helps promote healthy hair growth, prevent itching on the scalp, reduce dandruff and condition your hair effectively. Recently, more and more hair care companies have been tapping into aloe vera as a star ingredient. On skin, it has healing properties, moisturizing and anti-aging effects. It can treat skin problems effectively like psoriasis, eczema, itchy skin and dry skin and etc. Aloe vera creams have a calming effect on the skin and have been shown to help itchiness and inflammation on the skin. The aloe vera can be used to promote the healing of wounds. Aloe vera extract can be used to prevent wrinkles and skin aging. It was seen that the aloe vera gel increased the skin collagen production and improved skin elasticity. This results younger looking and less wrinkled skin. Drinking aloe vera juice lowers blood sugar and prevents diabetes. Aloe vera can help mouth ulcers. Aloe vera can be used to treat constipation. Aloe vera drinks boost the immune system. The antioxidant property of aloe vera helps the body be protected by other environmental factors such as stress, pollution and more. The aloe vera polysaccharides are strong components against infections. The aloe vera gel can be used to prevent and cure hair loss. Facial application of aloe vera gel can prevent acne and dark spots effectively. Daily usage of this aloe vera cream can make your skin clear and healthy. These are the products. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope you all like this information. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel. My name is SRINIVAS and I thank you so much for watching.